Hi, I'm Mandy. Today, I would like to share with you how you can create a mini workstation, sticker reward chart, and also mini pop quiz for your online classes. And then, I will also show you how you can share screen it during your lesson.
How to create a mini workstation. Okay, so I use Microsoft PowerPoint to create this plain template. Click on it and then press backspace to delete it. And then click one more time, backspace. Then insert table. So let's say I have 16 students per class. So what I do is I will use 4 times 4 for the table. Click it. And then I will stretch it to fit the size. Then I like to choose a plain color. Okay, right now I will have to select the whole table. So press and hold to select it. Then press the home tab. Center my content. So this will enable all the name in the center. So you can start typing out your student's name. So after each name, you just press tab, you will go to the next column, and so forth. And for that, you continue for the rest of the student's name. So this is a plain template. It's more actually suitable for those students who can already recognize their names. Now, for older kids, but for like 3 years old or 4 years old, I actually like to add a small icon beside it so that they can identify their name through the small icon, like fruits. So now I will teach you how to insert the fruits picture. First, press Insert, Pictures, and make sure you have downloaded the pictures that you have wanted and save it into the file. So insert it one by one beside each name. Okay, then I choose different fruits for different students so that they can identify their column by the fruits that is beside them. So after you have done, okay, you just press and hold to select the whole thing. Right click for your mouse, save as picture. Okay, I would like to call it activity chart. And then it will be in the form of a photo picture for you to use during the share screen. Then press save. Okay, now duplicate the slide by pressing it, Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl V to paste it. So during lesson, you can tell them, okay, hi Catherine, so this green apple box belongs to you. You can draw and write according to teacher's instructions. So everyone, do it in your own mini workstation. So this one with the picture worked very well as a sticker reward chart as well. So let's say today I decided to give them a strawberry sticker. So I press it, Ctrl C. You can also right click your mouse and then copy, and then paste it by right click again, paste as a picture, and then it will come out. Or the faster way to do it is actually press Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl V to paste it, and then like one more sticker for Jane, and then copy, paste, and then one more for Priscilla, and so forth. Make sure you do it while you are doing share screen so that the students will know that they are being rewarded. How to do a mini pop quiz. First, insert a text box. Okay, just click it wherever you want to create the text box. I'd like to change the font to Comic Sans. And then you select your font and press Ctrl B to bold it. Then you press this one to increase the font size. And then select the box. Move it to the side. Press one more time the box. Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl V to paste it, and then duplicate one more time. Okay, let's say you duplicate one more time again, and this time you can edit it. Okay, this time I'll type a small letter A, and then I will repeat the whole process of copy and paste. Then adjust the spacing for each letter within a mini workstation. Now press the letter box and make sure it is not dotted line. And then when it's not in a dotted line form, press the keyboard Ctrl and then press another letter box. And then do not let go of your Ctrl button, and then at the same time click on the letter boxes. Now Ctrl C to copy it, Ctrl V to paste it, and then press the down arrow keyboard to move the whole thing and adjust it into another mini workstation, and then copy and paste it, and then move it to another mini workstation, and so forth. So after you have done one row, okay, continue to hold the Ctrl button and then select all the letter boxes. Okay, for the whole row, after you have done, Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl V to paste it. Now move the arrow button of right hand side to move it to the right hand side mini workstation, and then copy and paste again, and then move about. Okay, you have done the mini pop quiz for them. Okay, so you can actually ask them, student, which one is a capital A? Can you circle it out for me? So this is only one of the example, and you can modify according to your lesson.
Okay, so right now I will share with you how you can do the share screen during your online classes. So one of the good practice is always to open the folder in advance before you hit the share screen button. For example, I would like to share screen the mini workstation that I already saved as a picture. So what I do now is, let's say you see when I hit the share screen button, it is not available over here because I have not opened it. So what I do right now is I will open the folder first. Okay, so this is the one that I have saved. Okay, minimize it. Then only I hit the share screen button. You see, now this is available for me to share screen. So when I press this one, share, it will be in this form. I would recommend to share screening in terms of the photo because it is fully maximized like this. There's another way to do it is to share screen the PowerPoint slide. Okay, so share screen, the PowerPoint slide is over here. Then click share. After this, select the slide that you would like to show. If you like to show this one, okay, press slideshow tab from current slide. Then it will be in this full screen size. Okay, you can share screen this one, and once you click it, you go to the next slide and so forth. You can also share the pop quiz like in this form. For the sticker reward chart, you must share screen it like this so that you can use the function. Let's say I will press this one and then I will do the copy and paste like this. But if you share screen it from the slideshow, when I click this one, it will move to the next slide. It will not be the function where you can show them, okay, I'm copying this one, paste, and give it to Florence, and so forth. One more thing to note is when you are using the annotate toolbar, let's say you want to draw a straight line and so forth, you cannot use the buttons over here or do anything else unless you close this toolbar. Then only you can start pressing from current slide, or you want to select this cherry. All this you have to do it without this annotate toolbar. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoy my video, please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more. I hope to see you again. Bye!